Om Swastiastu, hello, welcome to my kitchen. Before I start to cook today, just to let you know that I'm opening my Zoom and pop-up cooking classes. And also you can come to our kitchen here and cook together with me. If you would like to join, please drop your email and I put my email address in the description below. I'm really looking forward to seeing you. Matur suksema! So today I'm going to make shredded chicken with shrimp paste and kaffir lime fruit sambal. Or in Bali we call it ayam srolemo. Spicy, umami, and as always best to serve with rice. So let's get started. First I'm going to grill the chicken. Here I'm using a chicken breast and just add a pinch of salt. And black peppercorn, mix together. Next, let's turn on the cooker. I put medium and I add around 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. You can also use olive oil or coconut oil if you prefer. So just waiting until the pan is hot enough and we add the chicken. The oil is hot enough, add the chicken. Let's turn over the chicken. Now the chicken is cooked. Let's turn it over again. Golden brown. So I just turn off the cooker. Let's cool it down a little bit. Next, I'm going to prepare the sambal. So here I have some chilies, garlic, tomato, and shrimp paste. I start with grill the shrimp paste. I just put it here. Grill it around 10 to 15 seconds. So that's enough. And next, grill the chili, garlic, and tomato. I cut the tomato into 2 pieces first. So I just turn it over. The other side is cooked already, so we just need to grill for a few minutes. Ooh. Smells so nice. So the curly chili is ready. Just put it on the plate. And the Bali hot pepper. Tomato. And move the garlic. So all the chilies and garlics and tomato is ready now. And I just give a little cut for the big red chili. So now I'm going to use mortar and pestle to grind the chili, garlic, and tomato. So it's became sambal later. Grind it as smooth as you can. And also you can use the blender if you prefer to. Just add a little bit of oil. Now add the shrimp paste and palm sugar. Let's put it aside. Now let's shred the chicken. I'm using my finger. You also can use the roasted chicken or boiled chicken as you wish, but I prefer the grilled chicken. So now it's done and I'm going to fry the sambal. Let's put this aside first. Let's turn on the cooker, medium, and add coconut oil. Wait until the oil hot enough and add the chili paste. I think it's ready. Cook it around 3 until 5 minutes and keep stirring it so they not stick on the pan. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. And now add the chicken. Make sure all the chicken covered with sambal. Smells so good. And now the chicken is ready. I'm going to turn off the cooker and add 1 kaffir lime fruit juice. You can remove the seed and also you can put the seed on. Give a little stir. And it's done. Let's plate it. Let's add a few slices of big red chili as a garnish. And a kaffir lime fruit. So here we are, I am Srolemo. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes and I will see you in my next video. Matur suksema. Bye bye. Thank you.